kinds of different produce, pickles, carrots, God knows what else.
Can you do me a favor? Yeah. Can you flip that to the back? Like every time I see you, I get a whole like, what they doing up in here? Appreciate you.
You just told the guy running the boards, Donnie, to turn his hat around because you're that bothered by your ops hat of choice. He's a white boy. You don't know what those wearing, right?
They got white boys from over there too, just like we got white boys from where we from.
Maybe he ain't one of them.
I don't know, y'all.
I don't employ anybody who like works